The latest path-breaking invention to strike the world of nutrition and dieting is the pH Miracle Diet. Experts have noted that popular dieting plans seem to vary from time to time. For instance, the 90s marked low-fat diets, and the last decade has focused on low-carbohydrate diets like Protein Power, South Beach Diet, Sugar Busters and Atkins. People begin to get frustrated with each new diet and start looking for newer options. The pH Miracle has stolen the spotlight currently. This diet appeals to most people as it's completely different from the usual high-protein, low-carbohydrate diets that have ruled the last couple of years. The pH diet, also known as the Young Diet, named after its founder Dr. Robert Young, or the alkaline diet, has a unique approach towards the supply of nutrition. Many medical experts, nutritionists and doctors find this diet program as an extremely balanced approach to achieve nutrition that considers the true requirements of the body. Normally, our bodies have a slightly alkaline pH value. The principle is that as our body functions best at alkaline pH, our diet must be comprised of alkaline foods. The normal diet of an average American contains several acidic foods, including sugar, caffeine, animal protein and packaged food. These acidic products disturb the pH level of the human body and thereby cause a myriad of problems. The principles of this diet claim that acidic foods hinder the benefits of alkaline minerals, including potassium, calcium, sodium and magnesium, which make people vulnerable to chronic conditions. The real essence of the pH diet. Nutrition and health experts have realized that the food which a person consumes as part of his diet has a distinct effect on his overall health pattern. Though the medical community has given special importance to a balanced, nutritional diet which includes fresh fruits and vegetables, dairy and meat items, the pH diet is a step ahead. It clearly indicates that acidic foods deprive the body of its essential minerals. People who adopt the pH Miracle Diet have learned to avoid intake of food that causes disastrous effects to health. How to lose weight with the right food. Most foods that we commonly consume are strictly forbidden in the pH diet. The most surprising of these restrictions is the removal of wheat products. Though the FDA suggests consumption of whole wheat products, the pH diet claims that grains like millet, wheat, rice and oats are harmfully acidic. Alkaline grains such as quinoa, spelt and buckwheat are favored due to their alkalizing benefits. Usually, dairy and meat products are banned from the pH Miracle Diet. For your protein source, goat milk is allowed. Protein is also available in tofu, nuts, seeds and beans. Almost all vegetables, except mushroom, have a high alkalizing effect. Intake of fruits is limited to grapefruit, lime, lemon and coconuts. People who have adopted the pH Miracle Diet claim that there had been tremendous effect on their health well within the first couple of weeks. It is advisable to lower the consumption of pre-processed foods, and increase the intake of vegetables, irrespective of what the diet specifies for the person. As a matter of fact, this has become the point of major criticism of the pH diet. Opponents claim that those who are already consuming fresh food and plenty of water will find no effect from this diet. They ignore the pH balance theory. Another significant point to be noticed is that there is no scientific proof of the theories involved in pH Miracle Diet. Several conventional doctors find no benefits arising from this diet. But the principles of this diet are based completely on Chinese medicine, which has been in practice for centuries. These proponents are currently being studied at the Johns Hopkins University and by the United Nations. Critics may have to amend their attitude towards the basis of the diet.